Welcome to another video with www.balconywaterproofing.co.za. Today we're in Midrand looking at the second coat of waterproofing that's gone down. This waterproofing system we manufacture ourselves with our 25 years experience, knowing what works and what doesn't work. We bring you the strongest waterproofing by just taking all the water out the formulation. And this is in line with our pure paint logo for our WhatsApp profile and our company image. What that means is that we don't add water to the formulation. Most hardware products are running 75% water into their products, and this makes the paint weak. It basically makes it thinner. So where does the guarantee stand in all of this? The guarantee lies because the temperature of the floor tiles determines that. Clients say to me, what's the guarantee? I say to them, what's the color of the floor tiles? The floor tiles need to be as light as possible, white being the best temperature at 30 degrees. What happens is the floor expands and contracts with hot floor tiles like terracotta, charcoal and slate, and it cracks the exterior house walls. As you can see, running between this light and that outlet, there's a long horizontal crack, and that's called a slab crack. So if you go for black at 80 degrees, you're sitting at 3 years. Slate the same. Charcoal, degrees of charcoal we measure in the midday summer sun, the temperature. So anywhere between 3 to 5 year guarantee. If you look at off-white beiges, it could be anywhere between 7 and 12. Where grey being your hottest pigment, as we know, black sits at 80 degrees and white sits at 30 degrees. So any off-white grey would be very hot. White being your coldest color would sit at about 15 years, and that's where we want the clients to choose. The patios, nobody uses them because of the high sunlight, and also they're not covered. The next part of the guarantee comes to the slab construction. If you're a block and lintel system, then you're sitting at sort of 7 years. If you're an eco slab, you sit at about 10 years, and then a precast concrete slab would sit at about 12 years. The slabs have movement in them, and that makes the waterproofing age with the load capacity of the balcony. So block and lintel system, you're looking at about 4 people, eco slab 6 people, and precast concrete slab will be 8 people load capacity, just like a lift. You want no pot plants for pinpoint pressure with huge amounts of soil, and no benches. You know, you got 6 people on a bench with a very small footprint and a foot putting a lot of pressure in a very small area, much like a drawing pin or a high heel shoe effect. I hope this helps in choosing your balcony waterproofing carefully. If you would love long-term systems and something that's life-proof, please reach out to us and we'll connect with you, give you a quote. Make it a great day and follow us on further videos.